Meaning of ingenuity.
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 Ingenuity. Ingenuity refers to the ability to think creatively and come up with innovative solutions to problems. It involves being resourceful, imaginative, and finding novel ways of doing things that others might not have thought of. Ingenuity can be seen in a variety of fields, from technology and science to art and design. Individuals who exhibit ingenuity often possess a unique perspective, are unafraid of taking risks, and are driven by a desire to challenge the status quo. Through ingenuity, people can create new products, services, and processes that bring significant benefits to society.